We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching. I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.
In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best rated products that will literally change the way you are doing things. Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more info. In the following video, you will see a home-based business that is so simple and automated, a beginner can do it. Let's start.
Hi friends, this is Nitya. In this video, I am going to share about how to check the speed and performance of the server. Commonly, we cannot measure the availability and speed of the server. But in this Livebox streaming server, we have built-in speed test so that the internet speed of this Livebox streaming server is transparent. Let's see the speed test. In this system page, This is the speed test page. So down the go button. So click on this go button, and it is in progress. This is the download speed. And this is the upload speed of this Livebox streaming server. So instantly, easily we can check the internet speed. So according to this internet speed, your streaming will be in good quality. And another important thing is this Livebox server will check its own internet speed, and it will also check the receiver's internet speed. So for TV channels, they will place the receiver anywhere, in any place. This Livebox server will monitor that receiver. What is the internet speed? What is the performance from this server itself? Next, let's see the service monitor. So this is the service monitor page, and these are the components built in this Livebox streaming server. So see, speed test client and speed test server is built in this Livebox streaming server. This Livebox streaming server will definitely have a constant internet speed like 1000 Mbps. So your streaming will be in good quality. And this server is ready for 4K streaming. This Livebox streaming server has a high speed internet and very low latency, so that your streaming will be in HD quality. Thank you for watching this video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit the website.
Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the newly released bonding device from Livebox. To say about the Livebox bonding device, it is the only bonding hardware that allows the bonding mechanism to happen through multiple methods. As well, the way it provides fast internet with the low latency is incomparable to any other device available in the market. And also, the Livebox bonding unit provides 100% encryption, so one need not to worry about privacy and security while using this device. And one more additional factor about this device is, though the device is operated through PC, yet it has an inbuilt mini display that displays the real-time status of your bonded internet connections and the detailed view of bandwidth used by individual SIM cards. And finally, having all these attributes, still this device can be purchased at the lowest cost in the market. So now let me move on to the technical handling of this bonding device. In the first place, connect your bonding device and your PC using the LAN cable. Then you can go to your browser, and by using this IP, you can access the device interface on your PC. Because this 192.168.95.1 is the default IP of this device. So now let's have a look at the Livebox bonding interface. Initially, while getting this bonding device subscription, you will be provided by the IV17, the login credentials and the other details to configure your device. So to begin the bonding process, you have to first log in using the credentials provided. And once you log in, you can go on further by configuring your device by entering the provided server IP and server key in settings. And as I told you before, the IV7 team will be providing you the server IP and server key, so you can just enter here, and then if you click on this gear icon, here you can also choose the bonding type according to your usage, but still the default type works the best and suits the most. So after setting up all these things, you can click on the submit and your server gets rebooted automatically, and then you can go back to the dashboard and get started with your internet bonding. So after configuring your server, you can insert SIM cards on the device. So now if you have a look here, you can see the SIM cards I have inserted and its status. And also it shows the Ethernet speed as well as the hotspot speed and both of its download and upload speed. And then you have one more important settings to do. That is, you have to set the type for your SIM cards. So if you click on this drop down menu, here you have a few options. That is, when using the multiple data cards, we should set one SIM card as the master and it will function as the main SIM card. Then you can set one backup SIM card. That is, when the master SIM card fails, then the backup becomes the master. Then coming to the on option, if you turn on a SIM, then that SIM card data will be combined to the master SIM card. And finally the off option is to turn off the SIM. So this is the way you can set up your SIM cards for the internet bonding process. And then if you want to change your device password, you can go to change password and do it here. And while changing your password, always make a note of your changed password as the old passwords cannot be retrieved. Then we have Wi-Fi settings here. So here I have the hotspot option enabled. Just like how the Wi-Fi and hotspot option works on your mobile phones, the same way it works here too. So if you turn on the hotspot option and provide the password, then the external device can make use of your bonded internet. And in the case if you want to combine even more data to the bonding process, then you can use the Wi-Fi option to get internet to combine from the external device or LAN. And then if you go to the service monitor, you can stop or restart your bonding device services, or you can also reset factory for all the services. And if you want to reboot, you can use this button, and to reset the server factory you can use this button. So this is all about the newly released bonding device from Livebox. And to know more about Livebox, visit livebox.co.in. Welcome to this tutorial on how to upload files on Livebox. In this video, you're gonna see the functions and usage of this uploaded section under the recording feature. So let's get started. Uploading files on Livebox is very simple and it involves only a few steps, so that it is going to take only a few seconds for you to upload a file on the server. So now I'm going into this uploaded file section, and here we have the bulk file upload button. So let me click on this and start my file uploading process. So here, as you can see, we have buttons to add files, to start upload, to cancel the upload, and to delete the uploaded file. So let me now begin uploading my files. So I'm clicking on this add files, and here I'm going to select all these files and upload on my server. Selecting your files, you should see to that the files you are uploading should contain no special characters. Now the files are added here, so I'm going to click on the start upload button, and my files are getting uploaded. And now my files are uploaded. So here we have the files that I have uploaded, and a word of caution here that the uploaded files will consume your server storage space. And you can see here that I have consumed the 685 MB of my storage space. So while uploading files on Livebox, you gotta check with your storage space as well, so that you can avoid full disk space condition, which leads to unwanted server crashes. And now let's see how these uploaded files help for multiple streaming purpose. Each uploaded file has an unique embed code, so that it becomes easy for you to embed the uploaded file on your websites or blogs. That is, you don't actually need an encoder to go live on your website or blogs. All you have to do is upload a file and then take this embed code and put it on your websites. For instance, Let me now show you the way to embed the uploaded file on my WordPress website. Now I have logged into my website. Suppose if I want to add the file I have uploaded as a new post on my website, I can just click this new post here, and then using this add block option under formatting, I'm selecting custom HTML, and in this block I'll be pasting the embed code of my uploaded file. Here I am given the player embed code and the player secure embed code, and as my site is secure, that is encrypted, I'll be copying this player secure embed code. Even in your case, if your site is secure, you can go on with this player secure embed code. And if your site is not secure, that is not encrypted, you can just use this normal embed code. So now back on my website, I'm clicking on this publish. So now my post is published, and let me now go to see how the post looks on my website. And on my website, you can see that my uploaded file is live streaming. So this is one way to make use of your uploaded files. And the second one is, you can also make use of the files you are uploading for the social media distribution. As you already know, the files you are uploading get stored on the server. So you can make use of this queue feature to live stream your uploaded files on your social media accounts. So now I'm on the create queue page of the queue feature. Now here I'm going to create a queue to go live on my social media accounts. And if you want to know how to create a queue, you can refer to the video added on the Livebox knowledge base site. So now after giving all these details to create a queue, you can further go down and make use of these two options to go live just by using your uploaded files. If you want to live stream any one of your uploaded files, you can use this files option. So here you can just select the file you want and then give next to go on with your destination settings. Or if you want to live stream all the files you have uploaded as a single playlist, you can use this playlist option. The files you are uploading will be listed here, so you can just click on the files you want and move it to the selected videos side. Then just give a name for your playlist, followed by giving next to go on with your destination settings. So after using any of these options to create your task, you can give next and move to the destination side. So here under RTMP, and if you click on this button, you have the option to go live on Facebook and YouTube. Once you select your destination, you can access and log into your social media account. And then by entering the RTMP URL of your social media destination, you can add a task to go live on Facebook or YouTube. So after adding your task, if you go to the queues dashboard, you can see your added task here. The same way, you can also create a series of tasks under one queue. So after setting up your queue, you can just select your queue here and control the start, stop and pause of your queue right here. And the third one is, if you use the auto stream feature, you can also create a playlist with your uploaded files like how we did in the queues feature. And if you use the auto stream feature, you can create a playlist with the uploaded files, as well as once the playlist is created, you can add even more videos to the playlist with the provided auto stream settings. So just by uploading a file on Livebox, you can go live on your streaming platforms and social media accounts without even using an encoder. Well, that's it for today, and hope you'd find this tutorial useful. And for more information on Livebox, keep checking on livebox.co.in. Welcome to this video, and in this tutorial let's see about multiple website hosting from the Livebox streaming server. And recently a few updates were made on Livebox website feature so that you can now host 3 types of websites from Livebox. And you are going to see what are they as we move further into this tutorial. Let's get started. So here on the Livebox dashboard, I'm going into this websites from the navigation menu. And here on my websites list, you can see that I have hosted 3 types of websites, that is Grave, Typesetter and WordPress. And if you have surfed about website hosting from other sources, you might have already known that WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems in use. And these 2 websites are also other similar content management systems. So if you have Livebox in your hand, then you don't have to worry about website hosting, as you can create a number of sites of different types. So to create these sites, follow the steps that I am going to do now. First, click on this create button. And here give a name for your site. And then select whichever website type you want. Finally, click on this create button. So the site is now created. Once the site is ready to get started, it shows the running status here. So if you want to log in your site and get started with your website hosting, you can use this redirection provided here. And then on your site login interface, you can give the provided credentials generated by Livebox and get started with your brand new website right away. So now back on the website list, you can click this lock icon to get your website's credentials. You also have the option to change your password as you wish, but make sure to make a note of your changed password because lost passwords cannot be retrieved from Livebox at any cost. Other than that, you have controls here to start the website, to stop the website, and to delete the website. And if you click on this gear icon, you can do all the file browser settings like uploading files or even change your site theme. And to log in this file browser, you can use this credentials provided here. Then moving on to the site loading issues, if there occurs any issues in your site loading, then you can use this refresh configuration button. And then if you want to control your website services, you can go to the service monitor, and here you can start, stop or restart your website services. And for the other site types like Grave or Typesetter, we have only delete control here, because once the Grave or Typesetter site is created, all the other remaining website hosting procedures like sign up will be done in the respective Grave or Typesetter platforms. Well, I think these are the basic steps you ought to know to host websites from the Livebox streaming server, and I hope you'd find this tutorial useful to host your own websites. And to know more on Livebox and website hosting, visit livebox.co.in. Thanks for watching this video.
How would you like to discover the ideal solution to your biggest problem? You're just moments away from doing that, so keep watching.
I've had this problem.
Big problem.
I really needed.
The best live streaming server.
And I kept searching.
And searching.
There are so many choices.
It's really hard to find one that has all the things on my list.
But I finally did it.
Yes! Thank you!
If you were looking for one as well,
look no further.
Here's a really good one.
Just use mine.
Use mine.
I'm very satisfied.
Definitely recommend.
Problem gone.
thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.
Hi, I'd like to introduce you